Sorry about that. I didn't hit the go live button earlier. I've been talking for the last hour, last half hour. All right, good morning, Marcia. Good morning. God bless you. I hope you're still there. Sorry for the delay of getting started. I forgot to push that go live button. I've been cranking here. Got the auto trader cranked up. Dr. Hanson, sorry about the delay. Hopefully you're still hanging around. Rue, good morning. Kana, good morning. Sorry about the delay. Man, I was cranking here too. We just hit $1,000 bill. Got the mini scalper cranked up, and boy, we were rolling. I hate that I didn't push that go live button. I really apologize. Darn it. Get my system here just straighten out. It looks like I just cleared $1,000. I had to slide over the number to see the. All right, hit a target again. All right, good morning, guys. Sorry about that. Hopefully someone's still hanging around. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, I slipped on a banana peel. All right. Steven, good morning. Awesome, man. I started, well, I tried to start this earlier, but I forgot to hit this little go live button over here, so I was dead. I was sitting here talking to myself again. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us. All right, cool. Man, sorry, guys. Shit. Hey, that's the banana peel that I slipped on this morning. No, Rory Powers couldn't quite make it. I was talking to him yesterday morning in our morning meeting, and his voice was a little gravelly. Then by lunch, it was real gravelly. So he's down and out. I wanted to step in and do some trading today. So I've got the auto trader cranked up. We're cruising. I was kind of talking through the trades earlier, so I'm going to try to rewind a little bit. All right, Duke's in the house. Good morning. All right, good. I'm glad you guys joined us. Sorry I had a little delay there. I forgot to hit this damn go live button over here. That's part of the training process. I've been doing it for about almost a year now, and I still forget. Oh man. All right. So other than that, we're doing good. We're cranking. I was paying attention to trading more than anything, so that worked out well. So give you kind of a little bit of a heads up on what's going on here. Running the mini scalper. I was checking out the the leaderboard. Man, we're cranking today. Today's a great day to be a trader. So what a difference from yesterday. Boy, we got pounded yesterday. Yesterday I had about 3 good strategies. Other than that, we got smoked. So, it's the market that you play in is the way the trading works. So when you're a trader, and that's probably the hardest thing about trading is not trading. Oh man, when I said that out loud, that made it really odd, but it's true. Yesterday you shouldn't have traded. I traded a little bit, but I noticed that it was just woof, woof, woof. We got killed on everything right away. So, when there's no green up here on the leaderboard when I wake up in the morning, it's not a good market. That's the way I look at it. So the greenness is alive and well this morning. So it's a good day to be a trader. I've got a few accounts that I'm running over here. I'm running the mini scalper on the NQ. It runs on the NQ. It's a Signal BC entry, and we're jamming it. We're jamming it this morning. It's up about it was up about 1,000 over on the one account, and then I've now added it to 3 more. So it looks like it's up about 800 or so. We'll see how this trade plays out. It should end up at least about 500 up, I guess. I've got a trailing stop here. This trailing stop's at 50 ticks, so it's a $250 delta give back on this particular trade. So, you can, if you do own the system, you can go ahead and move the stops around. So I do that every once in a while. If I see, like, right now we're bumping up against some pretty solid resistance right here. We've got about 3 different, steps of resistance. So yeah, I'll hold the stop right there, and if it goes out, it'll be about a $250 winner. But we do hold this particular trading strategy at 250 bucks here. So we give it a little room to breathe. But again, on this trade, we're holding some resistance here that's worthy of noting there. So we're in long again. Just this particular strategy puts this is a mini scalper. So you guys own the scalper there. This version, I've just reduced the risk on the stop loss by this one I think is at 30 ticks instead of 50. So it's a little bit less painful on a loss. But again, it doesn't give the trade as much room to breathe. But that's the way this one's set up today. The scalper's actually the lead dog. Scalper's pushing $3,000 this morning. It might push around Steven. Uh-oh, Steven. Here we go. Don't do that. Do that, and then do this. There it is. There's Steven's record. Steven's holding the world record for the AI Auto Trader. It's running at, on a Friday, here live, it ran up 52.89. Our Steven strategy, 1 session. It looks like we've got a contender, the scalper, Steve Scalper. Steve Scalper's running 3,100 already this morning. All right, nice pull, Rue. Rue pulled a little bit out of the gold market. Well, I'll tell you out there, you guys, I trade the NQ almost religiously. If anybody on our community trades gold or oil, any of our strategies, please help us. Like, I wish I could be better at, putting strategies together for those markets, but I just can't seem to, pull it together enough. Like, we've got one up there this morning. It's pitiful. So yeah, open to ideas. If anybody comes up with a winner on the CL or the GC, let us know. Love to share that with other people that like to trade that instrument. It's just a little slower for me, so I don't watch it as much. The NQ, you got to get asphyxiated with it, or else it'll smoke you. Here we go, $300 trade coming back on us. So caught the bearish candle there. We'll see if we can hold. Got a $300 trade on it. We're up $1,000 on all those accounts. Woo! What a day! What a difference a day makes, huh? Dan Tomaselli put in our Discord that, and he's I like everybody who's just is normal. I call it normal, like don't have an agenda or whatever. But like he posted a couple days ago, we hit a home run like we're doing again today, and almost every strategy was like crushing it. And then yesterday we had one strategy make money, and I was like, oh god darn it, that's tough. But it's the market you trade in, and there's more to be said to that than I understand probably, and I'm probably still too young to understand that, but it's a thing. It's a thing. Here we go. We got a great smiley face this morning. Those are the best markets, the big smiley faces. Whee! The auto trader loves them. Loves them. You can make so much money in a smiley face. It's unbelievable. You know, because most of the strategies we set up with market conditions, so if price continues to stay lower than the 50 for any length of time, it takes mostly short trades. And yeah, you know, chances are with the stops you'll make money. Again, with the one going long, same concept. Okay, took the first contract off the market as a winner. This one I don't respect pivots or volume zones much, so this strategy is a little bit of a wild man. The mini scalper, a little bit wild. In a good market though, it can move the needle quickly. It moved these four up to $1,000 quick here. Today's a good day to be a trader. Yesterday wasn't. In fact, our professional options trader, David Wise, who will go right after me at 11 today, you know, he didn't even take a trade yesterday, and he sent out an alert, just said, hey, you know, the market's not conducive to trading. So he has a saying, I gotta go figure out what it is. Trade the best and skip the rest, something like that. And you know, it's hard to skip them. But yesterday was a day to skip. Again, and this is the reality of the way the auto trader works, is when I wake up, if this thing's green, then it's a good market to trade. If it's not much, it's probably not going to make money through the day, more than likely. Here we go. We're holding here. We're holding tight. Yes, I love that. That's what he says. We make money, we try to make money, not try to trade. Something like that. Exactly. All right, in Vietnam. Wow, that's intense. Woo! Hit our profit target. Wow, that's impressive. So I set a $2,000 profit target for this strategy, and it knocked on the door, shut me down. Said, time to go home. You take the victory lap, man. We put a marker on the chart here, so it closed on long P&L target. So it rung the bell, baby, the dinner bell. Awesome. I got my scalper up on a $3,500 profit for the day. Woo, look at all those trades. Holy moly. This thing's a rocket ship. A buzzsaw. Kind of give you a little bit of behind the scenes of how the auto trader works, kind of a little bit of in depth of the strategy, maybe a little bit of the settings here. I have to, when you hit the profit, daily profit or loss target for the day, the bot goes to sleep, so it shuts down and doesn't trade any longer. The day, when I say for the day actually starts yesterday. So I live Eastern. Eastern's the time that this instrument trades in Eastern time. And Eastern time, we have it starting at 6 p.m. Eastern. That's when the CME opens up that we trade on. And so that's the market that we trade. They open up at 6 p.m. That's when our bots wake up and start trading. And they continue to trade throughout the night. And, you know, if they're still profitable by the morning, then, you know, that means the market must have been pretty good last night. There's still activity throughout the night, just like nothing changes hardly. If we just kind of go back and look at last night, make sure my head's straight here. Last night, 6 o'clock. This is in military time. So 1800 hours is 6 p.m. Eastern. So the bot wakes up again at 6 p.m. when the market opens back up, and it trades throughout the night. The market closes at 5 p.m. So this market that we trade right here, this NASDAQ 100 on the CME up in Chicago is where the exchange is. We trade this instrument from 6 p.m. till the bots all shut down at 4:30. So they all shut down at 4:30, and the auto strategies won't take any trades from 4:30 to 5. There's a buffer in there that's a requirement that, well, not a requirement. You just have to have enough money in your margin account to cover the holdover period of the 1 hour where the market is down. So you have to have enough. Basically, it's called, I like to call it insurance. You have to have enough money in margin available in case in case something happens over that hour, which we know that in this fast-moving market that can really move a needle. So there's some stuff built in there behind the scenes that we have to program around, and if you're a discretionary trader, you're gonna want to know all those rules as well, because it can trip you up regardless of what you're doing. Holding the contract over the shutdown is something you really need to know the limits, or else you get penalized. That's you owe a payment. I can't remember. I think I've had the payments before. I don't remember. Can't remember how much they are. Margin call payments. If anybody knows in the chat, just drop it in. Hit a little bit of a plateau here on the NQ. Found 670. Looks like our 50 is going to change colors. '50s changing colors. Hey, Paco, good morning. Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. The way you can kind of look, and I know I should probably get a background here that has NQ. In fact, I'm going to write myself a note. Thanks for asking the question. We have backgrounds that have the NQ in them, and it looks pretty good. I should add it to mine. I'm going to do that. Thank you for bringing that up.
Order submitted.
Up in the top left is where this software that we use is called NinjaTrader 8 platform, and the chart up here in the top left is where you select the instrument that you're looking at. And in this particular case, I'm looking at the NQ, and what we trade here on the futures is we're trading the future price of the NASDAQ, and this one is the contract that closes on 12/24. We're all fighting for the same contract. So what we're doing is we're all trying to bid in on this this price, and then reselling it. Someone's going to hold the bag. Someone gets the contract at expiration, just like an option. Someone owns it after it's over. That's the way it works. We're traders. So we got these strategies here running on the NinjaTrader 8 platform, and these are the ones down here. These are all ones that we've developed, and you can kind of look at the P&L for the day. And again, today's a good day. Yesterday we got smoked, but today's a good day. Today is a good day. These strategies are all making money this morning. So we capitalized here with our Apex accounts. We're up about I don't know what it is over there, $5,000 I think, maybe four. Up 5,000, a little over $5,000. What you do is you get them when they're hot. Let me do this disclaimer quickly. Any trading signals opportunities that I provide here, either orally or electronically, are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team take no responsibility for any trading wins or losses on your part. If you're new to trading and just want to figure it out, please research it with a licensed financial advisor. Me or my team are not licensed financial advisors. We're traders. We just try to develop trading strategies and then share them with our community of traders. Help them make money. Right now, we're helping about 500 people. Right line trading. Got about 500 people that pay us every day to try to help us make some money together. We got some good strategies that we try to leverage here, and share any information that you have with others as a community. Let me get rid of this text box. There we go. Okay, perfect. All right, so here we go. We got the scalper. It's up to 3,500. Mini scalper. It's a version of the scalper. It's a little less risk going into the trade. The scalper's a $500 trade. The mini is a $300 trade. And I've got an M&Q scalper here, one that's trading on the M&Q. So that strategy's hot. Steve Scalper. Steve, you out there? We got our ABC drone up $1,000. ABC bot up 800.
Order submitted.
The Haymaker's up 500. The retirement plan's up 450. Oh my goodness, the retirement plan went off last week. The retirement plan made at least $5,000 on everybody's computer last week. Sergio's computer, it made $7,200 last week. So that's one to keep your eye on right there, that retirement plan. That strategy's hot. It's a 2-minute retirement plan. That's too good to be true. They always say if it's too good to be true, it must be too good to be true. This money can't be real over here. Ain't no damn way that's real. If you were here last Friday, though, I got smoked. I got smoked Monday, too. So it goes either way. The way it works, it's how you pick the market to trade in. That's how it works. If you get a nice smiley face, it makes you smile. That's our smiley face right there that we got into today.
Order filled.
All right, Suzanne, good morning. Had a little bit of a hiccup getting started this morning. Yes. Sergio's computer too. I was like, are you Sergio? Like mine was at I think 6,200 or something. Rory's was at 5,500. So they do have I mean, that's a big difference, but that's why we average them and put the averages back out, because they just don't come in at the same. I used to work for a boss, and he just said, directionally, Miller, directionally, what is this going to do to us? Oh, okay, directionally, that's which way it's heading. So wow, that's awesome. That is so much money. But it goes and it comes. Okay, we slowed down here. I didn't push pause. The strategy hit its profit target for the day, so it hit the $2,000 limit, and it shut down. And I was debating whether to jump back in, but I was going to kind of wait again for the market. The market tells you if you're a winner or a loser. That's kind of the end of the day what happens. It's looking like a nice strong move to the upside still. We'll see. It's not giving up much. We'll reset it and see what happens. No, Paco, it made it in Sim. These we trade all these in Sim, it's called. So we've got the bots. I call this forward testing it. There's this other term called back testing. We forward test all of our bots. What I mean by that is this is what really happened in the market. And just to kind of show that in another light, I'll trade one of my auto strategies along with an evaluation strategy, just to kind of show you how the entries and the exits are very close. The sim account trades very, very close to a live account. In fact, I'll even get this all set up. Oh man. Oh, I'm in. Okay, here we go. We're in. It took a second. Had to get that. Maybe had to get past that. But we're in. So yeah, I want to show the sim strategy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Mini scalper. So I'm running this this account right here is the NQ8U Mini Scalper. That's the account that we're trading this strategy. This NQ8U Mini Scalper strategy is trading into an account. And I can kind of go down here and show you those. So these two same strategies are trading in two different accounts. One is the sim account here. And the sim account is up $2,000 today. Oh, so it's done. It's done trading too. I have to reset it as well. That's why it's not trading, I think.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So if I can get out of this trade, we'll reset them both at the same time, so that they're going to take the entries at the same time. And we'll kind of show the way that the strategies work and how they take the trades. Hit of a brick wall right there by turning the darn thing on at that time, but we'll hope we can bail out of this thing after I get this thing reset here. Come on, baby. Here. So they're both now like off. It's called disabled. This is called enabled and disabled. So no check means disabled. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. So now they're enabled. Oh shit. Well, On the next trade, it'll take them at the exact same time. It looked like it was already, ready to take a trade. But anyway, they're both in a trade. So the eval account over here is in.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Woo!
Order filled.
Yeah, baby. So when we get that first contract sold right there, so what happened is it hit our first target, and now I'm holding another contract back here as a trailer. And we call it a naked runner. There's no profit target set. It's just going to come back and hit the stop loss and take it out of the trade. The benefit of doing that is it allows it to, our markets that we trade in, they fluctuate, as you can see, as price bounces up and down. So, the idea is that you kind of get it to have some room to bounce and bounce and bounce to make some cash, and that's the goal. We got a $300 trade all of a sudden. Again, this is a semi-automated system, which I mean by that is I can move my profit and stop loss around,
Order filled. Order filled.
and it'll kind of do its thing. Very nice feature. Add a few more accounts if the market's going to participate. We'll try to move the needle as much as we can. Got David Wise coming up at 11 o'clock. Share some insights into the market activity today. See if there's any good options trades to be taken. What a leaderboard. If we can get some more movement today, we might be able to set our new world record for the AI Auto Trader in one session. One session live.
Order submitted.
All right, we jumped in here.
Order submitted.
Jumped in.
Order filled.
Apex account jumped in at 690 and 690.25 on my two contracts. Sim jumped in at 89.75. So I think that was 1 tick and 2 ticks difference. And we're in again. This time we entered at 687.5 on both of them, and same price on the right. Entered at the same price on both this time. All 4 contracts. Just took a head fake to the chin. Let's see if we can catch one going our direction this time. God damn. Ended right on the same wick as we did last time. That's hardcore right there. Ouch. Whew. I'm in trouble on this trade. Take 300 to the chin twice here. Come on. Boy, it comes back so fast. Oh, push past 690. Come on. Somebody out there. Can we get 91.25 one time? Woo! Man, that was hardcore. Taking 2 of those to the chin is tough. We're in 8 accounts here. Big trade for me. Got a lot of support up there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
A lot of resistance.
Order filled.
Big trade. Uh-oh.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh. I'm in trouble here. There's the bearish candle. Ouch. Come on. That don't look good for the home team.
Order filled.
Come on. Flutter one time. One time. Big trade. Whew. Uh-oh. Got the 15 changing red on me here. Price is stalled, going backwards. Yeah. Woo! Uh-oh. Another bearish engulfing coming back hard. Oh, man. Wow. Holy moly. What's going on in this trade? Whew. Man, that was hardcore. Holy moly.
Order submitted.
Whew. Okay, going down.
Order filled.
Here we go. Let's take a look at the leaderboard, see what's been happening. Slowed down a bit. We had a heck of a move this morning. Scalper's still holding 3,500.
Orders.
It may have, the scalper may have,
Order filled.
might have hit its P&L target. Trying to think of what maybe its P&L target is. 3,500? Okay, we caught a trade here. We're trying going south. Looks like the
Order submitted.
looks like the Apex account took the target out already, and the sim must have entered just a tick later. Sim entered at 681 even. We entered at 681.25, so one tick difference made a big difference on that. You can see where we bought that last. We got the last one for sale. Oh man, that's how it happens right there. It's so hard to understand. If this thing goes for a full loss now and this one stays in, oh man, it changes the outcome so much, big time. That's how it happens right there. One tick will do it.
Order submitted.
In this case, the tick is in favor of the Apex account. Sometimes the tick is in favor of the sim account. No rhyme or reason. It's the way we trade here. There are contracts for sale on the open market, and we're doing market orders. We go out and snatch them the second we want them for whatever the price is.
Order filled.
All right, caught us one time going south. Caught into a little bit of a loop-de-doo there.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Just trying to go short one more time. There we go. Big move down south. Took out that first contract quickly. A big drift, quick. Here she goes, big move going south.
Order filled.
Coming back on us, so, uh-oh. See if we got enough room for it to breathe here. Wow. How about that? Yeah. That'll make you tense up.
Submitted.
Okay, see if we can get the NQ to go ahead and slide away on us here. Just hit the wall a little bit for us, unfortunately. Been trying to battle, catching these first contracts, been saving us. That's the advantage of that little guy, that little contract out there, to give you a little bit of room to take a trade.
Order submitted.
Going south again. Both of them entered at the exact same price. 680 it looks like. Let me scroll it over. Oh, 680.5. 680, 680.25, and we got in at 680.5. Uh-oh. Yeah. Woo! Craig had a great day today. 11 straight winners in his room. Wow.
Order filled.
Okay, Sim went out there.
Order filled.
See if luck's on our side here. Nope. Woo.
Order submitted.
Did Sim jump back in, or did I not see? I thought Sim went out. Oh, what just happened there? I guess I thought we went out on that trade, but we didn't. We're both in still. Trade not looking good for us though. It don't stay down here at 680 very long. It tests it and it rejects it quickly. Rejecting 680 quick here. Oh, wow. Oh man, it's coming out hot.
Order filled.
All right, the market's not good to trade anymore. Let's take it off the table.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
$832 still in though. Took the short trade.
Order submitted.
I chickened out a little too soon maybe.
Order submitted.
Good looking trade here.
Order submitted.
Hated that I bailed out on this one. Oh man, I don't know that I could have took another one there in that little chop though. That was hard to handle. Could have been the trade to handle. It's up 200. Oh boy, what a beauty. Oh man. Whew. Phew. Bailed out a touch too soon here.
Order filled.
Take this one off the table here and put the big bucks back in.
Submitted.
See if I can get this thing to roll here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, let's get them back in the ring here, hopefully. When it'll jump back in, we'll be back in with all of them, hopefully. Get this thing rolling. Come on. A lot of upside down hammers right there.
Order
Get a nice reversal candle. That's the old reversal candle right there. She is. Price is going north.
order submitted.
Ooh, big move. Come on.
Order submitted.
There we go. Oh boy, that was close. That was close. There we go. Got our first contract sold there. Big trade going south one time for us. Zip, baby. Run that drag line out. Come on.
Order submitted.
Here we go. A little bit of a drop. Breathe, trade, breathe.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Took that one off the table. And I go fire him back up.
submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, boy, gave up a little too soon on that one. She would have been a beauty.
Order filled.
Would have took us out there anyway, probably.
Order filled. Order filled. Orders
Trying to go south one more time. Got the contract sold there.
Order submitted.
Looking at the leaderboard, the mini scalper that I'm running here on my live account, we're number 2 strategy of the day. Yeah, the scalper's done trading for the day. It would surely be in all these trades. I could reset the scalper and see if we can run up the score on it today. I'm done in a few minutes here. All right, nice move to the downside. Got a $200 trade now. Let's claw our way back into this thing. Come on. Tested 630 one more time. Little bit of a head and shoulder fake here. Come on. 630's tough. Let's see if the bot has what it takes. Take 630 out here. Boy, trading's fun when you do it this way. Yeah. Yeah. Steven, are you making any money today? Steven Aldridge. My Michigan man. Oh boy, 630's holding tough there.
Order filled.
Oh man.
Filled.
Whew. Came right back up to grab us. All right, Steven, way to go. Got a grand. Nice shot. Yeah, the scalper was going off, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. Mine must be sleeping. Go check.
Order submitted.
Okay, this long trade.
Order filled.
What a push to the upside. Holy moly. Ran away from 630 quickly. Uh-oh. What'd I do? Jump in right at the last minute? This thing's going to come back south on us. Holy moly. Here we go. Oh yeah, BC scalper's done. 3 grand. We'll get her going again.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh man, this is a hardcore trade right here. Hardcore trade. Man, we jumped in and it just hit the brakes. This thing couldn't get up there fast enough until we jumped in. Holy moly. Whew.
Order.
Damn. How about that?
Order filled.
Woo.
Order submitted.
All right, last trade of the day here. Let's get your fingers crossed for me. I need some help. Need one good runner. One good runner. Let's blow through 630 here. Blow through 630 now. We got our Laguerre moving down.
Order submitted.
Kind of bottoming out though.
Order filled.
Yeah, the Bulls got this one by the horns. Man. Wow. Whew, getting slapped around here between 650 and 670. All right, this looks like it's going to close us out for the day. We got that first contract out of the way though. That was helpful, but still not quite enough.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, let's close her down. Take a look at the P&L for the day.
Order submitted.
So I had a few accounts. Did well with one, and we were up there with these these three. Made it up to 1,000, but I had a couple of drift backs here. And when I started to jump in the ring big time, I took them all down. So had a nice push early, and then got a little soft there at the end. So hope everybody had a good day trading, and your system's cranking for you there. And sounds like we had a good turnout this morning. Had a little bit of a slow start getting going. Forgot to push the go live button there. So it took me a minute to get off the ground, but I'm glad everybody had a great day, and good luck trading. Bye, guys. David Wise should have a link out there somewhere. We'll try to drop it into the chat, so anybody wants to join and see if you can catch any options trades, you're welcome to jump in there. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye now.